so hard. California hasn't seen rains like this. This is just crazy. I gotta go on a ship and go to an offload of a ship in Long Beach Port. I just hope it's not like this. Anyway, thank goodness California is getting its water that it needs. But I'm telling you, this is absolutely crazy. I'm on the 605 going south towards the 105 freeway. And the freeways are real squirrely here and waterlogged on the 605 south heading towards the 105. Anyway, have a great day, guys.